Hi, welcome to Access and Inclusion. My name is Mike Haynes. My pronouns are he, him, and his. The following slides will give you an overview of what we do in Access and Inclusion and what sorts of supports you can access with us. In Access and Inclusion, we welcome you. We support all individuals, no matter their religion, race, ethnicity, age, gender identity, gender expression, or sexual orientation. With this as our governing vision, we want to ensure that accessing the individual supports and resources that each of our students needs is streamlined, both in the time leading up to their first day of classes and over the duration of their studies at Canadore. In addition, and of equal importance, we want to ensure that the experience of each of our students at Canadore is as safe and as inclusive as possible. Listed here are some of the services that we provide. We'll be hosting campus celebrations of equity, diversity, and inclusion, along with the promotion of special events and holidays. We provide custom classroom presentations and workshops, like budgeting and time management, for example. We provide guidance on hosting inclusive, accessible, and equitable events. We have first-generation services in-house, which I'll dive into a little bit later in the presentation. We house a multi-faith meditation room, and notably, we help to facilitate preferred name changes on class lists and a learning management system, like discussion boards and drop boxes. It's extremely important to us at Canadore that you are referred to by the name that you have selected and deemed to be valid from the moment you enter our hallways and classrooms. As mentioned previously, we'll be hosting many campus celebrations and acknowledging and providing programming for different awareness days. Our student body is significantly diverse. It is important to ensure that all of our students feel recognized and valued, and we can help achieve this by hosting cultural celebrations on campus or by highlighting awareness days. One of the important services that Access and Inclusion offers is geared towards our first-generation students. Many of our students do not have a parent or guardian that has graduated from a post-secondary institution. These students are considered to be first-generation in status. A student may have siblings that have graduated previously from a post-secondary institution, but this does not affect their first-generation status. In short, our first-generation services help to provide support to those students that may not have someone in their close network that can provide experiential guidance and direction to them along the way to successfully navigating a post-secondary environment. Our first-generation students that register with us will receive a monthly newsletter that will help keep them on track with reminders of important dates and deadlines, connect them to campus events and initiatives, and share mechanisms to access different supports. Canadore College and the departments within have an incredible amount of supports and services to help our students along the way. Sometimes the reality is the solution resides off campus. In Access and Inclusion, we have built positive relationships with many different organizations in our community, and it can help connect students with the resources that they need. Before we wrap up, I want to make sure to emphasize that Access and Inclusion is for all of our students. We pride ourselves on being the hub for all inquiries and the finders of all solutions. Okay, maybe not all solutions, but we'll endeavor to connect them to the supports and services on and off campus that can further assist them on their journey. For more information, please contact me at michael.haynes@canadorecollege.ca, by cell phone at 705-303-3464, or by visiting canadorecollege.ca/experience/inclusion. Thanks very much.